Assalamualaikum grade 5. We meet again. So today we will learn about the science competition. And as usual, before we start, let's pray first. Pray starts now. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Robbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Okay, let's check it out. What we are going to learn in this lesson, we will learn about kind of material, present simple, identify the use of the verb and the adjective. Nah, this one is the new things for you, yeah. Since grade 3 until grade 4, you haven't used this one. This one is models. So in models, you will see must or must not, can or cannot. Okay. Maybe some of you know already the meaning what is must, what is can. Must itu harus, ya. Tapi kalau must not itu tidak boleh, tidak harus. Can itu dapat atau bisa, kalau cannot nggak bisa atau nggak dapat. Nah, models auxiliary verb adalah kata yang ditempatkan sebelum kata kerja. Nih, ini agak susah ya menerjemahkan. Jadi intinya models, we have many kinds of models such as shall, can, would, could, may, must, should, ought to, have to, might, will. Nanti di secondary school you will learn more about the models, ya. The use of models. Kapan sih kita pakai models? Itu untuk menyatakan kemampuan, untuk menyatakan perkiraan, untuk menyatakan penawaran, ya. Okay, you can read by yourself. Next. What is the difference between made from, made of, made out of, sama made with? Okay, made from. We often use made from when we talk about how something is manufactured. Plastic is made from oil. The earliest canoes were made from tree trunks. Jadi kalau mau pakai made from, itu kita ngomongin bagaimana cara dibuatnya. Ya, caranya. Plastik dibuatnya dari minyak gitu. Terus kanu dibuatnya dari batang pohon. Tapi bukan bahannya, ya, bukan materialsnya. Nah, sekarang kalau misalnya made of, tadi made apa? Tadi made from, sekarang made of. Kalau made of, we use made of when we talk about the basic material or qualities of something. Jadi kalau made of itu bahan dasarnya. She wore a beautiful necklace made of silver. Dasar kalungnya, bahan utamanya, basic material, ya. We talk about the basic material. Bahan utamanya adalah silver. Jadi dibuatnya dari silver. What is table made of? Bahan dasar meja ini apa sih? Mungkin, probably they have many kind of materials to make the table. Mungkin bisa dari kaca, dari kayu, ya kan? There are two kind of combination, maybe more. Bisa juga mungkin dari metal sama kaca sama kayu. Tapi bahan dasarnya itu terbuat dari kayu. Makanya kita pakainya made of. Ya. Mungkin pernah lihat, you might ever see a cupboard gitu ya, lemari dari kayu but surrounded by the glass, tapi sekelilingnya itu kaca. And then also there are some metals on it, juga ada besinya gitu ya. Nah, tapi kan bahan dasarnya mungkin dari kayu, jadi bisa dibilangnya made of apa tadi, wood. Oke. Itu perbedaannya made of sama made from. Next. Nah, kalau made out of itu buat ngomongin kalau sesuatunya sudah berubah. Contoh, in the 1970, it was popular to have candle holders made out of wine bottles. Dulu di tahun 1970 itu ada tempat lilin dibikinnya dari botol. Nah, mungkin sekarang sudah berubah ya kan, tempat lilin kayaknya sekarang we rarely see the candle holder itu dibuatnya dari botol. Nggak pernah lihat ya dibuatnya dari botol ya, karena sudah berubah jadi dibilangnya made of. Jadi dibilangnya made out of ya. Oke, next. Nah, ini made with. Oke. We use made with most often to talk about the ingredients. Nah, kalau made with itu for food. Jadi misalnya, this cake made with sugar and flour. Cake ini terbuat dari tepung dan gula. Tapi kalau kita mau ngomongin bahan dasarnya apa sih yang paling banyak dipakai di cake ini? This cake made of flour, terbuat dari tepung, karena yang lebih banyak dipakai adalah tepung ya. Atau ada lagi, kalau mau dibuat pakai basicnya, bahan basicnya apa, terbuat dari apa tadi ya, pakainya made from. Oke, next. I think I missed some slide here. Wait, let's go back first because it's already too far. Okay, good. Next ya. So we already learned made from, made of, made out of, sama made with. Because you will find this word in your book. Okay, this one is the example. Metal, heavy. It is made of metal. It is heavy. Heavy itu adalah adjektif, kata sifat. Ada heavy, ada light, ada hard, ada soft. Nah, kalau metal, paper, plastic, glass itu adalah noun, kata benda, karena bisa dipegang ya. Ada kertas, ada plastik, ada kaca, ada besi gitu ya. Oke. Kenapa kita ngomongin made of sama made from dan segala macamnya? Karena teman-teman nanti harus menggabungkan kata itu dalam suatu kalimat. Oke, ini udah. Next. Oke, let's try first. Ya. Kita coba dulu. This one you just connect, you just match the picture with the word, with the material, and also the result. Contoh, nomor 1 itu pertama paper. So you just find the word paper, and then from the paper what you can make. A book, right? So you just drag the line to the book. Number 2. Ini dari apa ya? Number 2 ini, it seems like from the metal, right? So, sorry. Okay, let's do it again. So, number 3. Actually, this one you just match, ya. From the material and to the name and also to the result, what the material can be made. Okay, number 3, what is that? A wood, ya. So that one is wood. And what is the result? It can be table, right? So E. Number 4. What is this? Oh, that one is a card. Cardboard. Cardboard itu kayak kardus gitu ya. Kardus mie instan atau kardus susu itu bisa dibilangnya cardboard. Apa resultnya? Apa hasilnya dari cardboard? We can make box ya. Atau F tuh. Oke. Number 5. Number 5 is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Plastic. What can be made? You do it. Okay? Next. Nah, this one in your book you see this one. If the sign is crossed, so you cannot use it. But if it is a tick, so you can use it. Number 2. Make this model house. You can use, what you can use? Find the thick one. You can use wood. Okay, you can use wood. You must not yang nggak boleh yang di cross yang mana? You must not use can atau metal. Can itu kaleng ya. Oke. Kalau metal itu kayak apa ya? Kayak besi gitu. Tuh bilangnya metal. Logam, that's a metal. You mustn't use. Oke. Berarti ini sudah tulis di sini. You must use. Okay, I think I made a mistake. You can use glue. Ya, you can use glue. Kenapa? Because the basic material is not glue. The basic material is wood. Jadi boleh pakai glue, boleh enggak. Kalau nggak pakai glue, maybe you can use nail. Bisa pakai paku. Ya kan? And then you must use wood. Yang harus dipakai basic materialnya adalah wood. You mustn't use can atau metal. Yang nggak boleh dipakai adalah can-nya. Oke, next. Number 3. Make this model bike. What you can use? A plastic. A can. You can use can. Okay. You cannot use plastic. Okay, good. Number 4. I think number 4 is easy ya. It's only 2 choices, so you can decide quickly what you can use, what you cannot use, what you must use, what you must not use. Okay, next. This one, you need to identify the adjective. Teman-teman harus tahu dulu adjektif mana yang mau dipakai. Heavy is berat. Soft is empuk. Sebenarnya sih empuk. Tapi kalau soft di sini pengertiannya adalah mudah rusak, gitu ya. Light itu ringan. Hard itu keras. Number 1, I already made it for you. And number 2, this chair is made of metal. Kursinya terbuat dari metal atau dari besi. It is not soft. Iya ya, tidak gampang rusak gitu kan. Kalau yang number one, paper bagnya terbuat dari kertas, berarti mudah rusak gitu ya. Kalau di crumple gitu pasti udah rusak. Nah, kalau yang kursi ini karena terbuat dari metal, jadi nggak mudah rusak. It is not soft. It is hard karena dia tidak empuk, tidak mudah rusak, pasti keras, ya kan? It looks itu terlihat ya, bukan melihat. Looks itu terlihat. It looks heavy karena anaknya sampai ngangkat begitu ya. Oke, number 3. This bag is made of plastic. Jangan lupa setelah kata benda pakai is atau are. Ya, kalau misalnya bendanya banyak pakainya are. The balls gitu are made of metal. Kalau bendanya satu pakainya is. The ball is made of metal. Oke. The bag is made of plastic. It is not hard. It is, kalau nggak hard berarti it is soft. It looks, terlihatnya bagaimana? Ringan atau berat tuh orangnya bawanya? Berat ya. It looks heavy. Oke. Number 4. Number 4, you can do it. Oke, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Number 1, yang part A, I already made it for you. Now part B, make atau made. Made terbuat dari. Make membuat. Teman-teman, if you got confused to identify with this made atau make, lihat aja setelah kata-kata made pasti ada off-nya. Nah, kalau sudah pakai off berarti teman-teman tinggal tambahin aja made. Oke. Sekarang kita coba yang B ya. We try first. You must titik-titik a model plane with metal. Kamu harus membuat atau terbuat. Membuat ya. Jadi you must make. Oke, sekarang yang C. Those model buildings are, lihat ada off-nya nggak? Kalau nggak ada berarti dia pakainya make. Tapi kalau ada off-nya dia pakainya made. Karena di sini ada off-nya, you choose made. Oke, number 2. A. Look sama looks, it's different meaning. Look melihat, looks terlihat. Sebelumnya sudah ada ya, tadi contohnya ada. It looks heavy. It looks light. Jadi yang nomor 2, this car is made of plastic. Mobilnya terbuat dari plastik. It looks light atau it look light. Terlihat ringan atau melihat ringan. Terlihat ringan ya, jadi kita pakainya it looks light. Kayaknya ringan deh, kelihatannya ringan deh gitu ya. Oke, B. You can titik-titik at the stars in countryside. Kamu dapat melihat atau kamu dapat terlihat bintang. Good. You can look. Sekarang yang C. There are some boxes. Di sana ada beberapa kotak. Kotak-kotak itu terlihat berat atau kotak-kotak itu melihat berat. Kalau terlihat berarti pakainya looks. Kalau melihat pakainya look. They looks heavy. ya. Oke, number 3. Yang A. Use atau uses. This one have same meanings. Artinya sama nih. Sama-sama menggunakan. Tapi it depend on the subject. Tergantung subjeknya. Ingat, when you were in grade 4, you already learn about present simple. Kalau subjeknya they, we, are, you don't need to put s or es in the verb. But if the subject he, she, it, you need to put s or es. Contoh, subjeknya they, we, are, you. I eat noodle. Saya makan mie. Tapi kalau subjeknya he, she, it, he eats, ada s-nya. Oke. They watch movie. Tapi kalau subjeknya he, she, it, she watches movie. Gitu ya. Nah, sekarang kita lihat nih. Yang 3A. Make a model car. You can, karena subjeknya you, jadi pakainya use atau uses. Good. You can use. Ingat yang present simple ya. Oke, next. B. She a plastic bottle for her project. She, ingat subjeknya he, she, it. Jadi she uses atau she use. She uses. Oke. Yang C. I think the C, the last one, you can make it by yourself. Yeah. It's easy, right? Yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay? And let's next. Okay, thank you grade 5. I hope that you can understand the lesson better. Wassalamualaikum. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay happy, and always be grateful. Bye.